This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Annie Bird. Charming turn-of-the-century three-story home located in the heart of Norfolk's historic Ghent neighborhood. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath residence offers a blend of timeless style and modern convenience. The first floor welcomes you with an open floor plan, flowing from the foyer to the kitchen, parlor-style living room, and dining area, perfect for entertaining. The updated kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, modern cabinets and counters, while an original exposed brick wall provides a nod to the home's rich history. The back patio leads to the spacious fenced backyard, ideal for outdoor gatherings and pets. Second floor features 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Third floor offers a versatile apartment-style studio with a full bath and kitchenette, perfect for guests or a secondary living space. Close to EVMS, CHKD, military bases, universities, and Colley Avenue shops and restaurants. Welcome home, November 21, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Annie Bird at 757-217-4200.